We're told to sketch this equation y equals to negative x plus 2 bracket square plus 3. Okay, then after that we found the x-intercepts, okay, which is x equals to negative 0.268 and x equals to negative 3.73, right? Okay, then after that we let x equals 0, you get y equals to negative 1. Okay, maximum point is negative 2 and 3. Okay, let's look at the first one here. Just take a look at it for a while. Okay, and try to see where this big triangular shape. It's a big triangular shape. It's not curvy. Okay. You all know what's the meaning of a parabola, right? Is this a parabola?
This is a hill.
This is a hill. Okay. It's a hill. Okay, a parabola should look something like that, right? Okay?
Wow.
So, make sure that you draw a parabola. Okay, anything wrong with this sketch? Anything wrong? Any other thing? The equation of the curve is not given. Is it? Okay, how about the x-intercept? You need to label the x-intercept. Okay, there are no labels. Please label the x-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept is a label. Okay, the y-axis, x-axis is okay. Right, and of course you must write down the equation. Y equals to negative x plus 2 square plus 3. Okay, please label the equation as well. Okay, anything else that's wrong with this sketch or can be improved? No? Okay, if no, let's move on to the next one. Okay, how about this one here?
No turning point.
Okay, no turning point is given. Okay, but actually, although the turning point, the coordinates are not given, alright, actually it's fine because you see there's a line drawn here, right? The line of symmetry. Okay, and it's indicated here that it's negative 2, right? Okay, and there's also a line here, right? This is 3. So if this is done, you don't really have to write the coordinates. Okay? Okay, what other comments do you have about this? Something which is quite obvious, yeah? The y-intercept. What's wrong with this y-intercept? Okay, it's not exactly at negative 1, is it? Negative 1 is labelled here. Okay, but the intersection is here. Okay. Anything else? Quite obvious? Sorry?
X and Y axis.
It's not, you never label the x and y axis. Yes, that is one of the first few things that you need to look out for.
Equation of the line is not there.
Equation of line, okay.
And then
Okay.
it's not curvy enough.
It's not curvy enough, or rather the shape is not really
A parabola.
it's not really a parabola, right? It's more like a, I don't know what it's called, a hill, yeah. Okay. So why is it not like a parabola? Because of, I think because of this part here. Okay, it should not be curving out. Okay, parabola, it should not be curving out. Right? And another thing is, this is the line of symmetry, right? Correct? So if this is the line of symmetry, what can you tell me about these two distances here?
It's not equidistant to each other.
Okay, these two distance must be the same, right? If this is the line of symmetry. Okay, so how can this person improve on the sketch?
Usual.
What can you do? Draw a bigger graph. Okay, how about the axis, the x-axis here?
Maybe you can have a bigger.
The units are not proportionate, right? So you need to make sure that the units that you draw on your axis are proportionate. Okay, so that you won't have this problem. Okay, meaning if you use 1 cm for one unit, okay, make sure your second unit is 2 cm away from the origin. Any comments on this? Okay, the y-axis is labeled, x-axis is labeled,
So the last part is too straight.
maximum point is labeled. The last part is too straight. What do you mean?
From the negative 0 to the negative 1 is too straight, should be a little bit curvy.
Oh, you mean this part, is it?
It will not be proportion.
This part, is it? This part? Okay? So, yeah. So it's not really a parabola, this shape. Okay, because of that, this part over here.
Only the bottom S.
Okay, and also, this distance is not equal, right? Can you see? These two distances are not equal. Right, let's call it A and B. Okay? A and B must be equal in length. Right? Why? Because this is the line of symmetry, right? So please take note of this. Okay, your curve must be a proper parabola shape. Alright? Okay, lastly, I think the equation is also not labeled for this. So please label your equation. Okay, anything else? Okay, let's move on to the last one. Okay, this one here. Any comments? Okay, let's go through it one by one. You have the y-intercept, x-intercept label. Okay, and we have the y-axis and the x-axis. You have the x-intercepts. You have the y-intercept.
This is the perfect one, Ajahn.
You have the maximum point. How about the shape?
I never put 2.0.
Any comments about the shape?
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay, so this is
One of the
what I want to see. It's an upside down star. Yeah, it doesn't matter, right? It's not the star. Okay, so this is good. Everything is there. The shape is there. Okay, the line of symmetry is correct. Okay, so the units are also drawn correctly for the x-axis. Okay, so this is what I expect you to come up with for a sketch. Okay, any questions? No questions? Okay, good.